Good morning to all. Yan, pauwi na po kami galing school sa paghatid ng mga bata. Good morning, Suresh!
Good afternoon.
Good morning, Carmi!
Good morning, guys.
Ayan.
Good morning in Bahrain.
Good morning in Bahrain.
Hey, mother chit po.
Ayan, parang uulan.
Posri wale.
Parang uulan.
For your force. At teri maka.
Umulan kanina. Mga 6:30 ata yun, no?
Oh,
16
O,
Ano?
5.
5 girl.
Oo, 5. Umulan kanina. Maginaw. Yan, traffic na naman dito sa stoplight.
Oy, raining.
Guys, umuulan dito sa Bahrain. At maligo.
Maligo ka na yun.
Hindi nga kaniligo ko lang.
Takbo ka dyan, oh.
Diyos ko, Mariosa.
So, Rush, want to swim? Shower?
Yeah.
Here, go outside. Later, go shower while you're cleaning outside.
Raining.
Rain, go away, come again.
Umuulan po dyan.
It's a rainy days for today.
Not working days, but what we do? We don't have chance to sleeping.
Yan. Pero kahit umuulan, trabaho pa rin. Diba? Ayan. Ang ginaw-ginaw, guys.